This is the first in a series of videos for the History 103 course at the University of Maine. At this point, you should have already received a handout on how to access the professional edition of Social Explorer through the university's library page. You can be sure that you are accessing this version if you can see this banner at the top of your page. What we are looking at now is the Social Explorer homepage. While you are here, you should check out the Learn More page to see what Social Explorer is and what it has to offer. But for right now, we are going to look at how to start a project. The first thing you need to do is to sign up. If you have already signed up, you can just log in. Now you can start a project in two ways. The Start Now button on the left will take you straight to the default map. This is a good place to start if you're beginning a new project. You can also start with the My Projects page. From here, you can pick up on a project that you've already begun, but you also can start a new project with the Create button. You will want to select Map, and you will be asked to name your project, although you can change this later. Creating a new project brings you to this default map. It is the same map you would have seen if you had chosen to use the Start Now button on the home page. This map is showing the population density per square mile using data from the American Community Survey. This is where we will stop for now. The next video will show you how to use some of the features of Social Explorer.